Let's begin by introducing the supply parts and hardware. Right side, left side grab handles and a rear rack. 2 M8 by 60mm long hex head bolts plus washers, and 2 M8 by 45mm long hex head bolts and 4 spacers. 2 M8 by 20mm long Allen bolts plus washers plus nylock nuts. 13mm wrench / spanner, ratchet plus extensions. 5 and 6mm Allen sockets, or you can use Allen keys. 10mm hex socket. You can begin by installing one side. Put the M60 bolt through the front end, turn the bolt a few times, and this is only when you have the pannier racks mounted, and then turn the bolt a couple of times. You can repeat the very same thing on the right hand side. Once again, these steps are for when the pannier racks are installed. And then you can put on the tail rack, put the bolts through, all 4. And then on the bottom, put on the washer and spin on the nylock nuts, all 4 of them. And once that's done, you can begin to gradually tighten all the bolts. You can refer to the torque specs on the screen. Make sure that you're gradually tightening the bolts. Do not pull one bolt fully all the way and then the next one. Go around gradually. And then in this case, if you have no pannier racks installed, then you put the bolt through, and on the back side, you put on the supply spacer, line up the mounting holes, and thread in that bolt. And do the same with all the rest. Thank you very much for watching. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortech.com, or call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.